Hi, I'm Morgan Patrick, and for those of you that missed the 11-hour reading and almost 24-hour Senate session of the $1.9 trillion COVID-19 relief bill,
Title I, Committee on Agriculture, Nutrition, and Forestry. Subtitle A, Agriculture. Section 1001, Food Supply Chain and Agriculture Pandemic Response.
we've got you covered. Here are the top 10 things in the bill you should know about. 1. Stimulus checks. In the bill, individuals making up to $75,000 and couples making up to $150,000 per year are eligible to receive a $1,400 check. Individuals earning between $75,000 and $80,000 and couples earning between $150,000 and $160,000 will receive some of that money, but not the full amount. 2. Money for the pandemic response. The bill includes a number of provisions providing federal aid to federal, state, and local government agencies for COVID-19 testing, monitoring of the pandemic, for possible new strains, and, most importantly, ramping up vaccine rollout. 3. Unemployment benefits. Set to expire on March 14th, this bill extends unemployment benefits through September 6th. That gives an additional $300 per week on top of state benefits. For households that earned under $150,000, the first $10,200 of unemployment benefits won't be taxable. 4. Money for schools. $130 billion to elementary and secondary schools to help them reopen safely by improving their ventilation systems, hiring more janitors, and reducing class sizes to comply with social distancing practices. 5. Money for small businesses. The bill includes an additional $50 billion in assistance for small businesses, including more than $7 billion for the Payment Protection Program. The relief package includes $28.6 billion in grants specifically for restaurants which have been particularly hit hard by the pandemic. 6. Combating childhood poverty. The bill temporarily raises the child tax credit for 1 year to $3,000 per child over the age of 6 and $3,600 per child 6 years old and younger. More than 93% of children would receive benefits under the plan, essentially creating a guaranteed income for families. Experts say if these changes become permanent, it could potentially help cut childhood poverty in half. The bill also includes $24 billion to stabilize the struggling childcare industry and $15 billion for childcare subsidies. 7. Local governments. The bill includes $350 billion to aid state and local governments, which have had steep declines in revenue as businesses remain shuttered during the pandemic. As a result, local and state governments have been forced to reduce hours and lay off employees. 8. Assistance for healthcare. The bill includes a number of provisions for healthcare assistance programs. The bill helps to lower premiums for Affordable Care Act healthcare plans. It widens the scope of healthcare subsidies, and it assists people who have been laid off from their jobs with purchasing health insurance through their former employer lasting through September. There are also more incentives for states to expand Medicaid for those that haven't. Number 9, Native communities. The package includes $31.2 billion for Indigenous peoples, the largest public investment in Native communities ever. This investment includes $20 billion for COVID relief and $6 billion for healthcare. And number 10, pension bailout. $86 billion is allocated towards assisting 185 union pension plans that cover around 10.7 million people. Policy changes like these impact how you plan for your future and live your life. That's why it's important to meet with a financial advisor to make sure you stay on top of your finances.